Poppy seeds powder 1 tablespoon, salt 1 teaspoon, cumin crushed 1 teaspoon, allspice powder half teaspoon, coriander crushed 1.5 teaspoon, chili flakes 1 teaspoon, black pepper half teaspoon, boneless chicken 300 grams. Marinate for 30 minutes and cook it in 4 tablespoons of oil. When chicken is completely tender and water dries, add carrot and capsicum sliced and remove from flame. For sauce, yogurt 4 tablespoons, tahini paste 2 tablespoons, heat tortilla and spread sauce, add cheese slice, prepared chicken and some olives, jalapeno sliced, roll and serve.